Your girlfriend replies slow? Well, this machine replies faster than anyone. One press and boom, and ice cold can pops out instantly. No waiting, no disappointment, just pure refreshment.
How to build the soda vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Connect the pump to the machine. Cup holder. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Welcome.
How can I assist you?
1 Fanta and 2 French fries, please.
Okay.
Here's your fries.
Thanks.
Your drink is over there.
Enjoy your meal.
A giant Fanta cup.
We're running a special promotion for our restaurant.
Amazing. I rate your restaurant 3 stars.
Thank you.
My turn next.
I wanted to. I love this restaurant.
The biggest drink I've ever seen.
Awesome.
Your drink are ready.
Eagle Avenue.
We need to hurry up. The snow is falling heavily.
Huh? Why does it not run? Emergency! We need help.
The snowplow truck's blade is engineered to move large volumes of snow to the side of the road with each pass. The snowplow can reveal unexpectedly clear roads. Whoa! The road is completely cleared. How to build a snowplow. Step 1. Build the chassis. Add the wheels. Add the engine. Step 2. Build vehicle body. Add the battery box. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the vehicle cabin. Harmony Street. Look at these mountains of snow blocking the road. Its powerful blade lifts and pushes the snow. Even large mounds of snow are swiftly cleared. It's impressive. The snow is finally brought to the gathering point. The conveyor belts carry the snow. The snow falls into defined areas.
I'm almost done.
Thanks a lot. It's really terrible. The streets are filled with garbage. Mouses, cockroaches, and flies are appearing everywhere.
Ew!
The people are advised to wear masks when going outside.
If trash is not cleaned up, there is a risk of disease outbreaks.
The air is heavily polluted.
My garbage truck is broken. I can't collect the garbage anymore.
No problem. I'll build a new garbage truck for you. How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Everyone, I come back with my new garbage truck.
You'll work well.
Wish you work efficiently.
Welcome back.
Let's start collecting trash now. Great, it's exactly what it works.
Keep up the good work cleaning.
You do very well.
Look what I did.
Hang in there, Alex.
Thank you for helping to clean our environment.
I'm done.
This morning, a giant Orbeez rain occurred at Lego Park. The sudden rain caused heavy damage to the park.
Let's go, Mr. Hand. We need to help them clean up the giant Orbeez at the park. We are here to help you.
What a great garbage truck.
Marvelous.
I did it.
Yeah!
Orbeez have been completely collected. The park is clean again.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste.